to my channel Titanium Beauty. My name is Tulika Thakur, and today in this video I am going to tell you all the tips and tricks how to apply a perfect eyeshadow. So in this video you'll get to know all the tricks how to get that soft eye makeup look. So if you are interested in watching and knowing all the tricks and tips of applying eyeshadow, then please keep on watching this video. Okay, so let's begin. For creating this eyeshadow look, you need blending brushes like this. Okay, so you can get this easily online. I'll provide you the link if you want to purchase like eyeshadow brushes like this. These are not very expensive, they are quite cheap, and you get a set of 4, and these has very soft bristles, and this is very important to like create this eyeshadow look. So this helps to get that perfect blended look. So I'm going to use these blending brushes. Without these you cannot get the perfect eyeshadow look. Okay, so and the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. The Swiss Beauty, sorry, it was upside down. The Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is my current favorite palette because this is really affordable, very affordable I must say. This is only for rupees 200 and you get 9 shades, 1 gram in each pan, which is like too much. Like you don't use too much of product on your eyes. So this is a very nice affordable eyeshadow palette, 9 shades, and you see the color story of this. Now without wasting any further time, let's begin with the tutorial. So take a blending brush like this. Okay, you see a blending brush like this, and take a like brown shade. I'm going to pick this shade. Start with the lightest shade. Okay, so don't take the darkest shade at once, you have to start with the lightest shade. So I'm going to pick up this shade, and this palette in the shade 06, so I'm picking up this shade. Take very little, okay, very little, and just tap off the excess. Did you see a lot of product was excess? So I've done my crease. I'm happy with the crease now, so I won't make it more dark. Now on the crease you apply shades like this with brown undertones, and now on the lid area I'm going to apply a very light shimmery shade. So you can go with the glitter eyeshadows, like I have this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. You can also use a liquid glitter eyeshadow, but because I'm going with a very soft look today, so I am going to use this Savannah Colors highlighter for the lid area. On the lid we usually apply light color shades so that our eyes look very huge and pop up. So I'm going to use this Savannah Colors highlighter, and I'm going to pick up this champagne shade right here. I hope you can see, because my eyeshadow is like a pinky tone, so I'm going to pick up this champagne shade. You can also go with the gold one, but I'm going to pick the champagne and pick this up. Pick these kinds of shimmery shade with your fingers, because that will give you very nice pigmentation. So I'm going to take the shade like this, see, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. See, so this will make your eyes pop. You can also use a brush for your inner corners, but I am comfortable in using my finger. Do you see the difference in both the eyes? This one is looking really like popped up, and this one is looking very flat and simple. Just place the shade all over your lid. If you want a more enhanced look, then you can also apply this liquid glitter eyeshadow. I've made a review on this. You can watch the video. I'll provide you the link in the description box below. So as you can see, I've used a highlighter on my lid, and it's looking really pretty. So guys, as you can see, I've already done the other eye also off camera, because otherwise it would have taken a lot of time. So I've done the other eye off camera, so you can see that how I've created the eye and how beautiful it is looking even without the winged eyeliner. But now I'm going to apply the winged eyeliner. So guys, as you can see, I've applied the wing eyeliner off camera, and now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara, because I don't apply falsies because I don't like it. Looks very heavy, and also this is a very subtle makeup look, eye tutorial look, so I'm not going to apply falsies. Instead, I'm going to apply a very thick coat of mascara. So I'm going to use a mirror. So after the curling the lashes, I'm going to apply mascara, and for the mascara I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Warm it between your palms so that its application become much more easy and very smooth. So I'm going to apply the mascara now. So this gives you a very beautiful look. And also, to complete this eyeshadow tutorial and this eye makeup look, I'm going to apply the white eyeliner in my waterline, which makes my eyes look even more bigger and beautiful. You can also skip this step if you don't want to apply, but I apply it because it will make my eyes look more bigger. So I'm going to apply a white eyeliner in my waterline. Okay. So I'll look here and I'll just apply. So now, as you can see, this gives a little bit of effect and eyes pop a little bit more. So I like this step. So this is completely optional. So guys, here I end this soft eye shadow makeup tutorial.